It's like 6:30 in the morning. I just got off work. I got to get on this van. I got to get it finished. I have a deadline by September 17th. We have a wedding on Saturday and Sunday, and they're two pretty big weddings. So I just have a small window to get this van done in between shifts. So let's get it done. I pretty much primered everything, and now I'm gonna paint on the inside. I'm gonna paint inside the engine bay, and I'm gonna paint some underneath. I'm not gonna paint this section yet because I'm on here a base coat and I got a single stage. So this one is a single stage mixed with the clear coat already, and I'm gonna do that over here underneath, maybe some over here, and then I'm gonna do that on the inside, and I'm gonna do the inside cal area as well. And then the base coat, I'm gonna do the base coat over here, and the A-pillar, and this door jamb area. And then I'm gonna cover that with the 2K clear coat, and that should be done. I'm gonna do the inside first, so I don't have to worry about it after the windshield is installed. Alrighty, let's go. painted. We got the windshield installed. Matthew's over there doing drift. Let's see if he does another one. Another one, go. Yep. Now that's the real Mustang. Not this Mach E garbage. Hey, watch out for the crowds. Don't hit the crowds. We might have a teenager problem. So yeah, we got the windshield installed. Everything fits good. That's the one thing I was kind of worried about, to making, you know, just making sure nothing is the A-pillar is not this way or that way or whatever. But yeah, everything is good. The gaps pretty much straight on both sides. Here and there. The bottom gap is straight all the way across. Top is straight, so everything's squared off and is good to go. The dash bar is now installed, and then I gotta do some cleaning up over here. The wiring, all of this stuff is, let's see, I think all of these, 1, 2, 3, all of those are from the actual AC unit on the roof. Now all this stuff was kind of flopped in the engine bay, because basically, you know, when they run this stuff for the AC unit, it's aftermarket stuff. It's not from Mercedes, but Mercedes basically sends it out to a company, and then they will connect the AC unit on the roof, the reefer unit, but they just run it however they can. And all the wiring and all that stuff, they just kind of flop in here and zip tied it on top. But I wanted to kind of clean it up a little bit to make it a little bit nicer underneath the engine bay. And so basically just minimize all the cables in here. And because I have the dash off, I'll be able to tuck all this stuff in pretty nicely, because, you know, when they do this stuff aftermarket, they don't remove the dash. So I'll clean all this stuff, make it look nice. Let me finalize that, put the dash on top, and then we'll see what else we're gonna do next. All right, guys, here we go. Everything's connected. I think I connected everything. Hopefully I connected everything. Kids were helping. Matthew, we connected everything? Yeah? Did we? Why are you naked? It's cold outside. Get into the passenger side. You okay? Okay, Matthew, let's get in and see if it starts. All right, so the last thing I gotta do is connect the ground right here. Way down there. Matthew, can you hold this camera? Thank you. In case of emergency, this is where you disconnect it, I guess. Okay, I heard something. Did you hear something?
Yeah.
Some clicking?
Yeah.
Let's see if our hard work paid off. You ready?
And then this
Well,
gets screwed in there.
Yeah, this will screw in later. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe you could screw it in right now.
Okay, let's try it.
Just put the assembly there.
No.
Under a couple hundred people, I don't know. So it is.
So it still makes. Hey Matthew, look, it still makes coffee, so that's good, right?
What?
Mom will like that.
What?
What? Coffee, look, right there.
Does it actually make coffee?
No.
What does it actually do?
Yeah, probably some juices and drinks.
I think it does a food truck.
No, I'm just kidding, Matthew. It doesn't make
It was
coffee.
a food van. It
Yeah.
was a food van.
I still have no idea what that is. All right, well, let's start it. All good. Now do left turn signal. Okay, do the right one. Don't make it brighter. Okay, there you go. That works, that works. Okay, left one works. Do the right one. Right one works. Matthew, go right again. All right, that one works. That's good. Inside the reefer, lights work. I still gotta turn the reefer on. They're just flashing, the LEDs are flashing in the video. They're not actually flashing in person. Let's turn the reefer on. Let's see if the reefer works. Def off. There you go. Yep, that's on. That's good. All right, guys, and the van is finished. We did our first wedding with it. I didn't make the wedding for the Saturday, but for Sunday, I was able to make it. Wife drove it to the wedding. I didn't drive it, so I took my chances with her and driving it. Did the alignment at home. It still pulls a little bit to the left, but I did the best that I could at home. On Sunday, Saturday, nobody really does alignment, so I'm gonna have to take it in on Monday or Tuesday to get the alignment finished. This piece I couldn't find anywhere, so I'll have to probably buy it from Mercedes. And there's also a couple bolts that I'm missing that I couldn't find, so I'll have to stop by maybe my friend's house. They have the Sprinter parts, or somebody else, and see if I can pick those up. On the inside, everything is done. Everything's hooked up, everything's working. And look at this, the mirror. Power mirrors, baby. Look at that, nice. Matthew, thank you for helping me with the van. Give me 5. Good job. So yeah, just a few more lights left on the dash. The airbag light went off. The engine light went off. I think there was a few other ones. But now we got the TPMS and the ABS traction control. So I do have a scanner coming in. So once that comes in, I'm gonna be able to plug it in, scan for a bunch of codes, see what else comes up that I can't see on a dash, maybe reset some things, adjust some things, whatever, and see how that works out. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this project. I hope you enjoyed this video. So now we're gonna be going to the F350 project and maybe the Mustang project and catching up on that. So guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.